Hello, and welcome to this love and kindness meditation, also known as Metta meditation. This is a safe space for you to rest and be exactly as you are, without judgment or expectation. This practice is designed to cultivate feelings of warmth, compassion, and goodwill toward yourself and others. There's no wrong way to experience this meditation. Whatever arises for you is welcome here, now. Find a comfortable position, either sit in or laying down, whichever you prefer. You can close your eyes, or if you prefer, soften your gaze downward. Now, allow your body to settle and take a few deep breaths. Letting any tension melt away with each exhale. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. There's nothing you need to force or change. Simply observe the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your focus to your breath. You're creating a space of calm and openness within yourself. Now, bring your attention to yourself. Place one hand on your heart if that feels comfortable. Feel the warmth of your hand and the beating of your heart. Begin by offering yourself these phrases of loving kindness. Repeat them silently or whisper them aloud, allowing the words to resonate within you. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Take your time with each phrase. Let the words sink in. You might imagine breathing in kindness and breathing out any self-criticism or hardness you hold toward yourself. If resistance arises, that's okay. Simply notice it and continue offering yourself these kind wishes. You deserve this compassion just as much as anyone else. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Now, bring to mind someone you care about deeply, someone who naturally brings a smile to your face. Picture them clearly in your mind's eye, or simply feel their presence. Holding this person in your awareness, offer them these phrases of loving kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Feel the warmth of these wishes flowing from your heart toward them. Imagine them surrounded by peace and well-being. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Now, bring to mind someone you encounter regularly but don't know well. Perhaps a neighbor, a store clerk, or someone you pass often. Someone who you have no strong feelings, positive or negative. Recognize that this person, like you, seeks happiness and wishes to avoid suffering. Offer them these phrases. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Notice what it feels like to extend kindness to someone you barely know. Everyone deserves compassion and care. Now, if you feel ready, bring to mind someone you find challenging. This doesn't need to be your greatest adversary, just someone who brings up mild difficulty or frustration. If this feels too difficult today, you can return to the neutral person or skip to the next section. Recognize that this person too experiences suffering and seeks happiness, even if their actions don't always reflect that. With whatever capacity you have right now, offer them these phrases. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. This doesn't mean condoning harmful behavior. It simply means recognizing shared humanity and releasing the burden of holding onto resentment. Now, expand your awareness outward, like ripples spreading across the pond. Extend love and kindness to all beings, everywhere, in your community, across your country, and around the entire world. Include people of all backgrounds, animals, all forms of life. Let your compassion reach out boundlessly. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Feel the interconnectedness of all life. We are all part of this shared experience of existence, all seeking happiness and freedom from suffering. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Now, take a few more deep breaths, feeling the warmth and openness in your heart. Notice any shifts in how you feel, perhaps a sense of peace, lightness, or connection. As you prepare to return to your day, know that you can come back to these phrases whenever you need them. Loving kindness is always available to you. So when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and your toes and come back to here and now. Slowly and gently, you can open your eyes if you had closed them. Thank you for practicing with me today. May you carry this love and kindness with you wherever you go. Love, light, and blessings to you all always.